Good match, gentlemen. Good match. Thank you. You're welcome.
2021 National All-Jamaica Champion. Elated you must be. Talk a bit about this match. I mean, originally it was planned to be at the Tennis Jamaica headquarters, and then rains came, and you're forced now to play under lights. Your thoughts on this encounter?
Yeah, it's kind of one of those things in tennis you sort of have to deal with the weather conditions. I did want to play over at Tennis Jamaica. There's a great atmosphere over there. I love playing over there, but due to circumstances, we came here. It's still a good atmosphere. It's still nice to play here, so it's okay. No, I mean, I definitely went in there expecting a tough match. I know he has really good serve. He plays well behind it, and he's been playing well. He beat some good players throughout the week. Clearly, he's been playing well, so I definitely came in, ready for anything, and I think I just executed extremely well. My returns were on point. My forehand felt amazing, so I think I just had a great day.
I think I played well, but Randy was just too good today. He hit the ball very cleanly and kept up the pressure from first game of the match.
I noticed you're seemingly trying to go cross court a lot, to give yourself some time to hit your big weapon, which is your forehand. Never really worked out the way you wanted.
Yeah, he was so fast. No matter where I hit the ball, he was there in position to hit a bigger ball. So I was forced to go for a little bit more than I wanted to, and it ended up hitting the more arrows.
The national champion, Katherine Dibbs. First of all, how does that title sound to you on your birthday? Can you believe that?
Well, I'm very happy about it because I've been training a lot, and this is what I trained for, to win.
Your thoughts on the match? Because many people felt that it should have been more of a cracker, but you focused on what you had to do and what you wanted to do.
Yes, I knew the match was completely up to me and what I was doing, not her. So I just had to stay focused and play my game, and I knew I could win.